from only 10 gram filament, which means that theoretically this bottle will be more than enough to print out the plate. Hi everyone, it's me, Hunor Kiri. I'm from Hungary, Szeged, and I'm the CEO and the founder of a company which is called Refilamer, and we are developing machines and softwares, also consumer and also business softwares and hardwares that can upcycle plastic waste into 3D printing raw material.
Just at this coffee table while we were having coffee, I decided to set Hunor a challenge. We are now going to head back to my Airbnb apartment, get some of the bottles that I've used and pass it off to Hunor and see what he can create out of these bottles for me to take back on this trip. So let's go.
Semester long program subject for 6 credits. Sounds like it's not how to say it, paid promo. Hi everyone, welcome to Szeged in our workshop. We will reform the bottle of Giant Show into a little 3D printed identification plate. We will turn it filament, and from this filament we will print a little plate with the logo of his venture, the Turn On venture, as you see here. To recycle the bottle, first we have to remove the paper from it. And I will measure that how many grams. That 29 grams. It's quite light, but I think it will be enough to 3D print the plate. Let's see it. The process starts with a little line, what we cut from the bottle. First of all, we remove the bottom of it, and now let's cut a little tape from the bottle. Please replace the bottle and put the tape into the cutting board. And as you see, the spooler starts the rotating and it pulls the filament, which pulls the tape here, that we start to rotate the bottle, as you see. Okay, now that we have the filament, let's place it in the 3D printer and print the model out. So basically this is how we upcycle the plastic bottle into filament and then how we print it. Basically this is what remains after a PET bottle. but it's still recyclable, not with our machine, but with the common waste recyclable methods. So now we are ready. I have just some little sanding, what to do, and I will take it to Jayahong.